Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Monday morning, and today is the 29th day of June. It's the second last day of the month, and I hope you had a lovely weekend. This is what we were looking at on Friday. On Friday, this was our analysis. Uh, we were looking for potential buys above this level here, and we got our signal when this candle closed above our level, this green candle here, with a bit of bullish momentum here. Closed above our level. You could have taken this trade. Once this candle closed above our level, the next candle place a buy limit here. Take the market from here all the way up here to TP1 and TP2. Got hit. Stop loss just below this candle that broke above our level, and that would have been a win. Okay, for the sales, we are looking for potential sales below this level. We never got a sale. We never got a confirmation for a sale, a trigger for a sale. It never happened, and this level, this zone here, I'd marked it as a no trade zone. You can see this zone here. The market was just consolidating all around here. Okay, so that was Friday's trade. If you if you are patient enough to wait for this break above, then retest, enter on the retest, push the market up. Okay, and you'd have to, you've that was how many pips? Okay, that would have been a good win. So today, let's see what we expect today. The fundamentals. Today being 29th, Monday. Uh, we don't have any high impact. We don't have any red folder news today. Nothing high impact. But we have a holiday, a bank holiday in Europe. It's an Italian bank holiday in Europe. Okay, so and that's all we expect today. Nothing high impact tomorrow. Um, we have the red folder news on the Canadian dollar at 3:30 on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we have some data on the GBP and the USD. Chairman Wash speaks, and Board of BOE Governor Bailey speaks. That's for the GBP. And at 5 p.m. we have ISM Manufacturing PMI. On Thursday at 3:30 we have the average hourly earnings month over month, non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. Then uh, on Friday we have a bank holiday in the US. So the NFP this time will not come on Friday. It will be on Thursday. The non-farm employment change. This the non-farm employment change, the unemployment rate, and the average hourly earnings. Since Friday will be a bank holiday in the US. Let's see which holiday this is. Independence Day. Okay. Friday is Independence Day in the US. So the jobs report will be released on Thursday, a day earlier. Normally it comes out on Friday, but since it's a bank, it will be a public holiday. Uh, the data will be released a day earlier. That will be on Thursday. So that's all for the fundamentals this week. And let's see on the breaking news what we have. US and Iran agree to halt strikes and meet this week. We have another meeting this week on the US and Iran. Then, uh, okay, you can just go through the breaking news here, but keep an eye out for the any breaking news during the day, because that could really move the market, and you don't want to get caught on the wrong side of the market. Okay, so real quick, let's do analysis for today. We're gonna remove everything here. Remove all these drawings. Start our analysis afresh. We always start on the 1 month. What we do is we identify our levels of resistance and support. Narrow it down to a lower time frame, preferably 30 minutes. Where we can catch up a breakout trade. Okay, what we look for is breakout trades. So on the weekly, we have our most recent price action is here. That's our resistance, our support. We could still go with that one or pick this one, because have we had a break? No, we've not had a break here. Oh, we did. We had a break here. So our weekly time frame, our support is down here. Is our support there? Okay. Jump down to the daily. On the daily, this is what we are looking at. On the daily, we had this break here. That was a break there. Support is up here. Our swing high, we have our swing high here on the daily. It's our swing high there. It's the highest point we went after. This was the break of structure here. There was a BOS here. Market pushed all the way down here. Then we had this pullback here to this level. Then another impulse, giving us a break of structure here. So this is our low. This is our low. Our high here on the daily. Okay, but we have this internal structure here. I guess that's the 4 hours. Jump down to the 4 hours. And on 4 hours, we are looking at this level here and this level here. Let's just jump back a bit. Jump back a bit. Let's just mark this level here. See what it is on the 4 hours. Okay, so on the 4 hours, this is our swing high and our swing low here. That gave us this break of structure here. That is the swing, but internally we have this resistance here. That's worth noting. Internally, you have this resistance here that gave us this BOS. Yeah, So these are that's our 4 hours. That's where we are on the 4 hours. And on the 4 hours, I like to use the bodies there. And use the body here. That's where we are on the 4 hours, okay? So here, we also move this one on the 4 on to that level there. But this one is almost being broken. You can see this candle here. There's a 4 a.m. candle, 4 p.m. candle on Friday. Almost broke above here. So now I'll be looking to trade this level here. Yeah, is the next. What's the next level there? Because once we got this break of structure here, we had this pullback here, then it gave us another BOS here, then we had this pullback here, give us another BOS here. So I think I'll be trading this one here. Yeah, let's just shoot the wick today. Yeah. And on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour time frame, now this is where we look for the most recent price action. That was a break of structure there. Then you had this minor pullback and another break of structure here. So on the 1 hour, on 1 hour now, this is where we're going to have that one there. On the 1 hour, that's our resistance, and our support. 1 hour support is down there. Okay, that's how you break. This is the last BOS. After this, we've neither broken up nor below, so the market is within this range here. So jump down to 30 minutes. Apologies. And on 30 minutes, this is 7:30 a.m. candle, 8 a.m. candle, a break. And on 30 minutes, I'll be looking to trade a break below that resistance there, a support there, or a break above that resistance there. Once you get to 30 minutes, that's the farthest I'd wanna get. I would wanna take my analysis, because on 15 minutes, uh, doesn't look all that promising. These are not red zone for me. I'll just wait for my 30 minutes break. So a break above there. That is my potential buy. Potential buy is above. And we will get a break below here. Potential sells below. So potential sales buys above, potential sells below. Just be patient with the market. Wait for the market to get to your levels. Don't trade within this level here, within this range here. Is a consolidating range. Okay, so I did want to get caught within this range here, because if we have to look at that, we had a break of structure here, then we had a market shift here. Yeah, market shifted, so our low is here, they have a resistance here, but this one is still within the range, within this range here. So if you get a, you could get a break above here, but it doesn't look good for me. So let me just stick to this. Okay, let's not force trades. Stick to what resonates to your trading strategy. Okay, so these are the levels that we're looking for. These are the levels that we're looking to take the market to. All up to there. That's on the sell side. On the buy side, we're looking at these levels here. We have that level there. We have another level here. Then we have this level here. Before we get to this level here. And most probably a level above this here. And wait, let me see. On the 4 hours, I just like to view the levels, my targets on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, uh, is the farthest I'd want to take the market today. That's if we get a buy. If we get a sell, I'll be looking to take the market to these levels here, and perhaps this level here. There. So always remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. Risk management is always key. So if we were to get a sell, I'm going to take it from here. If we get a kind of closing below this level here with some good bearish momentum, push it all the way down to these levels here. Today is Monday. We don't have any high impact data, so that would be a good level to take the market to. If we get a break below, that would be a good level to take the market to. If we get a buy, then I'd be looking to push the market from this level here. Take the market from this level here and push it to these levels here. Yeah, so this is what I'll be looking at today. Remember guys, trade what you see, not what you think. Trade what you see, not what you think. There's a level there. Happy hunting guys. I'll see you on I'll see you tomorrow as we recap on this trade, and hope we get something today. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm out. Like I always say, trade what you see and not what you think. Ciao.